Let's compare the new Probiotic Water Booster to the Descaler and cleaning paste. I have lots of hard water, and I started off with just taking my Envirocloth and wiping down a small area. And then I decided I needed to mask it off. I was surprised with how much the Envirocloth picked up. Now I'm going to spray the Probiotic Water Booster, and using the netted dishcloth, I'm just smearing it around. I am not pushing down. I am not scrubbing. I am just smearing. Now I'm taking my Envirocloth wet with water and wiping it. And I am quite surprised with how much the water booster has removed, just with light pressure with my Envirocloth. I also forgot to do the backside, so I quickly wiped that down with the Envirocloth and Window cloth. Next, we're doing the Descaler. Again, spraying with foam nozzle, smearing with the netted dishcloth. I love using that because it doesn't absorb, it simply smears. Now, my Envirocloth, I'm using a clean side to wipe up. Obviously, it's a champ. It did an amazing job. Next, I'm doing the cleaning paste. Just smear that Envirocloth, small circles, wipe it down with a clean side, and then polish with the window cloth. I was beyond impressed with the water booster alone. You can still see some hard water marks. There is some there. I can go back with the cleaning paste, but overall, it did an amazing job. Check out the before and then the after when I finished my door. Really impressive.